Wait! Drink this glass of milk before you go. I'm already late, Mom. Mom, I'm getting late. I'll drink it when I come back.
It'll only take 1 minute and I'll show you something amazing.
What is happening?
Come.
Milk is full of calcium. It helps build strong bones while you're growing. It also helps keep your teeth strong. Milk also contains protein. It helps your muscles grow stronger while you're growing. Wow, that's cool!
Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Without enough vitamin D, use calcium as effectively.
So they work together.
When you eat balanced meals and drink milk regularly, your body gets nutrients that support healthy growth and an active lifestyle. Thanks, Mom. I never knew 1 glass of milk could help my body in so many ways.
Today, I listened to my mom and drank my milk. Did you already know these amazing benefits of milk? And do you also listen to your parents when they remind you to stay healthy?